Hello everybody. Today we're going to showcase the installation process of our cordless cellular shades. We can now go ahead and remove the plastic wrap. The mounting brackets for the shade come pre-installed on the cassette, which can be removed by pressing on the back of the bracket, and once it's fully stopped, we can lift it up and it releases the bracket off. Now we ensure the bracket is spaced by about 8 to 10 inches from either end. Now on our window frame, we can set the bracket up and mark the positioning to get the depth right. Now that the mounting brackets are installed, we can bring our cassette up, and we want to position the gasket of the front of the cassette about 1/4 inch forward from the mounting bracket. Now we can slightly tilt our headrail like so, lowering the back, and we compress the rubber gasket against the ceiling. Once the gasket is compressed, we can press the headrail into the mounting bracket and gently push the back up and release. Now the cassette will be held on with the mounting bracket. And now we repeat the same steps on the other mounting bracket. We tilt the headrail down slightly, compress it against the ceiling, and then push it back and release the back up and let the headrail come forward. Now the headrail is fully locked onto the mounting bracket. Once the shade is installed, it's important to check if the bracket is sitting right on the headrail. To check, give the shade a quick tug, pulling down. If you see no gap forming at the top, that means that the bracket has been installed properly. If you give your shade a tug downwards and you see the mounting bracket like so, this means that the shade is not fully engaged with the mounting bracket. To fix this, we have to follow the same steps as the initial installation. We have to tilt the headrail slightly back, compress the gasket, push it back, and let the back rise back up. We hold the shade right under the mounting bracket to get the most leverage, and we do the process like so. And now we give the shade one quick tug to make sure that the shade is properly engaged, which it is. And now it's ready for operation. Now that the shade is installed, we can install the included clip. Gently hold the bar, raise the fabric so we have access to the bottom bar, find the center of the shade, hook the clip at the bottom first, and now we can gently swing it up so that it locks on. And now we can use it to operate the shade.